Welcome to the epitome of summer style, where every step becomes a statement. This is your invitation to dive into the world of summer shoes, right here in the heart of the USA. Let's start this journey with the true essentials: sandals and flip-flops. Picture this: the warm sun kissing your skin, a gentle breeze, and your feet adorned with the epitome of summer fashion. Our collection features an array of styles, from chic slides to classic flip-flops, your perfect companions for those carefree summer strolls. These are not just shoes, they're an expression of comfort and style. Breathable designs embrace your feet, providing the freedom to embrace every step you take. Feel the sand between your toes, breathe in the ocean air, and step into the vibrant energy of summer. But the summer journey doesn't stop there. For those active days under the sun, our sneakers are designed to keep pace with your adventures. Whether you're hitting the pavement or sweating it out in a summer workout, our sneakers seamlessly blend fashion and functionality, ensuring you stay on trend while staying active. Now, let's talk about casual sophistication. Slip into the laid-back charm of our espadrilles, perfect for those beachside moments, or embrace the versatility of canvas shoes that effortlessly transition from day to night. Summer just got a whole lot more stylish. And here's something for our little adventurers. Our kids' collection is designed to keep them running, jumping, and playing in style. Because summer memories are meant to be made together, and what better way to do it than with the perfect pair of shoes? Ready to turn these visions into reality? Step into our store today and discover the essence of summer at your feet. But that's not all. For a limited time, take advantage of our exclusive summer promotions. Because the hottest styles of the season are waiting for you. Voiceover: don't let this summer pass you by without stepping into the perfect pair. Step into summer, USA, with shoes that speak your language. Visit us today and let the season of sunshine and style begin.